How to play Spotify while using Facebook. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll show you how to play Spotify while using Facebook on your mobile device. So it's a quick and easy process, so follow along carefully. This can also be done on your desktop for both Facebook and Spotify, and the process should be same. The first step is to open your Spotify application and make sure that you're logged into your specific account. And also play the song you want to listen to while using Facebook. I'll be playing a random song from the playlist I found. And now let's open our Facebook application. After opening Facebook, if you pull up the drop-down menu on your mobile, you will see that the song is unpaused and still playing. If you're using the desktop app, just keep the Spotify app open on your desktop application, and you can also browse Facebook through your web browser as usual. The song will continue playing on your desktop even as you scroll through the news feed. So this was all about how to play Spotify while using Facebook. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.